Come for your dream, come for your work. They make you mean, they make you work. They take your work, they take your worth, your self-esteem. They make you hurt, they make you hurt. They make it seem like it ain't worth it, but it's always worth it.
Hey cuties, this is your girl Yana of Yana's Eyes, and I'm here with a makeup tutorial. Let's jump right into it with this detail brush from the Something Blue brush set by Yana's Eyes. I normally start from the lid and work my way to my arch, but I'm trying different things, different products, and I'm pleasantly pleased with the outcome of this look. This smudger brush is a little bit longer than a smudger brush, but it's effective in that way. I'm taking it to apply a highlighted pink shade or hot pink shade to transition with the peach shade that I added to the arch of my eye, and I only wanted to bring that like midway. Then next I'm taking that detailed brush and I'm just tracing around my actual eyelid. Now I do this because I have hooded eyes, and then whenever I go to apply this cut crease color, I'm not going to see as much purple, and that's okay. That's what I want to achieve. But relaxing your face is like the best way to deal with hooded eyes. And I'm carrying that color all the way over into my inner corner and outer corner. And this just basically gives shape to the eye. This is all for me because I'm not a makeup artist. I just slang the brushes and they're good, so I want to show you how good they are. Next, I'm using that smudger brush in order to blend out any type of harsh lines. This packer brush, Poison Ivy, is just a blended beast. It blends colors like beautifully. It is a natural hair brush set and it's super duper soft, and that's one of the reasons why I love it. I did one concealer off camera just so that this time I have something to match. Now, like I said before, I wanted to cut into that purple enough that it can be seen, but it could be a very thin line that will complement the colors that I decided to put on the lid. And I used a flat brush out of the Poison Ivy brush set in order to apply concealer. Although I recommend it for blended looks, this is just an all-around good set. Next, I'm using a flat fluffy brush in order to blend out any creases on my concealer. And then I'm taking an angled fluffy brush out of the Poison Ivy brush set in order to add a darker purple to my outer corner. Okay, again, I always worked from the outside in. Okay, the fluffy brush from the Poison Ivy sets, they blend the colors together. You can remove product fairly easily and not worry about I don't want to say contamination with makeup. That sounds horrible, but crossing any type of color boundaries. And then with a flat packing brush, I'm going into my inner corner and adding this super bright gold shade. I originally wanted to do glitter, but sometimes glitter agrees with me and sometimes it doesn't. So I immediately knew when they say trust the process. I love when the process looks this good halfway in. It's the ones that kind of scare you and then you want to scrap the whole look. But I was pleasantly pleased and surprised because I tried this look before and with the glitter, and I knew when my eyes were done that I was not in love with this look. So this is just me taking out some time to blend all of those colors, make sure that they're seamless, no harsh lines, but each and every color is represented in this look. Now, This detail brush I'm using is just to make sure that that's not concealer. And I didn't take the arch color all the way in because I really wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. I just at this very moment realized that's concealer, and I need to add that same peach shade so that it does not compromise the purple that's there and that it doesn't clash with the peach in the outer corner. Now I'm taking this flat paddle brush from Black Butterfly brush set, also from Yana's Eyes, in order to apply my foundation. I usually don't use this type of brush. I usually love my specialty brushes that were on my website, but the one that I'm currently in love with, it's not clean. Well, it is now, but at the time of this video, I had not given it a bath. And I normally try to give my specialty brushes a bath after usage, just in case I want to switch foundations, and of course because of bacteria. Here I'm trying a new concealer, and I've realized with me and concealer, less is more. I see some ladies and they drag it down into like that triangle look, and it always covers majority of my face and makes me look extremely pale, and it overpowers my contour. This concealer blended wonderfully, and this was the first time that I loved another concealer outside of the CoverGirl. Okay, these brushes here, these are the Something Blue crystal brush set. I'm also using another setting powder. This is from Too Faced. Concealer by NARS. Setting powder by Too Faced. It has a light shimmer to it that I just really love. Next, I'm using a face powder by Maybelline in the shade Nutmeg in order to do a very light contour. It has taken me many of attempts to find out what to use in order to contour. I have tried cream, I have tried darker foundations, and I've tried 3 different shades of face powder. Until I'm darker, this is the one. I'm using a detailed brush from out of the Poison Ivy brush set in order to contour my nose. I like my button, so not necessarily wanting it to be snatchethous, as if I do not have nostrils. But I definitely wanted to make sure that it was, outlined, or else it would look like real crazy. Trust me when I say it. I've tried before, and yeah, it looks like maybe empty space or something in my face. I don't know. The highlight doesn't even sit too well. I have recently bought another eyeliner by Black Opal, but this pharmacy eyeliner has been a staple, and I think I'm just going to use it until I can't hold it anymore. It's already half the size of its usual. Taking another detailed brush from this Something Blue brush set in order to smoke out my waterline. I remember when I used to didn't do this at all, and now it is like a necessity in my makeup process. Like, I have to do it. There's really no other way. Then I am taking this highlighter brush from the Sub-Zero brush set. I stopped wetting my highlighter, and I started to swirl my brush in the highlighter more. It was changing the texture of the highlighter, and I wasn't getting the most of it after a while. I know that probably doesn't make sense, but it makes sense to me. Like, I could tell that the setting spray was compromising. Then I added a peach blush. out of the crayon case blush binder. This was a jumbo pencil in the color Plum. And I'm using Astrid Lipstick by Beautiful Nightmare Cosmetics. I'm trying to do more of the ombre. I have so many lipsticks and I just shop for the right one. But an ombre can change the whole vibe, guys. Like, it really can. At this moment, even though these eyes are beautiful, I forgot I don't have on lashes. So, these babies are called Romance. And that's it. That's all. That's everything in a nutshell. I hope you like this look as much as I do. Leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, see you when I see ya. Peace.